and it dislocate this area and here the
Yeah. कति दिन जति भयो होला डाक्टर तपाईको चाहिँ?
Maybe more than 3-4 days, 3 or 4 days like this, I think.
What it happened 3-4 days ago?
Yeah, I think so, but I can't say exactly.
Yes, sure.
Because I see some sort of infection in the eye also.
Right, right.
Okay, then there will discharge.
So you
and if
think-
you see the wound, it's not seems fresh, no?
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
It's
so
very dry.
yeah.
So something maybe run
Yeah,
over
I think,
him?
no, I think something hit.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, hard for
Yeah.
the eye.
So that eye comes out.
डाक्टर यदि लेट भएको भए त इन्फेक्सन हुन्थ्यो नि डाक्टर?
Yeah.
So now he needs to stay in the clinic for...
No, actually, let us first see this X-ray, and then after we'll decide. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you, doctor.